Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Subramaniam Masalamani. I'm a Tamil. Today, my topic is going to be the establishment of a global Tamil development bank. We are, as a community, offer to every Tamil worldwide a bargain of self-preservation and self-interest for coming together to form a community bank. We are offering a better performance, better quality of life, better security, better education, better employment, and better business conditions. If you are already doing well and above average or even at the pinnacle, we still offer you a system that will make you much better. Will you accept it? The answer must be an emphatic yes. What we have done here is that we have combined emotions, egos, insecurities, securities, and reasoning all in one package so that there is unanimous agreement and support. This strikes at the core of our spirit of freedom and the desire to live with positive anticipation. So basically, we are offering a collective program with self-interest, self-preservation, self-progress, and self-satisfaction in mind while offering logical reasoning. Tamils worldwide must stop barking at the wrong trees, banking on the wrong organization, and bickering about the wrong leaders. United Nations is a boneless, toothless, gutless organization. Have you ever noticed that they always choose a weakling as a Secretary General? Have you ever wondered why? Therefore, let us take control of our own destiny. It is simple, but we don't try. And we are told not to try. It takes time. An oak tree takes time. The idea of establishment of a Tamil bank caught attention of very many people. Therefore, this week, the topic will be the establishment of a bank for Tamils. Call it Global Tamil Development Bank, Jaffna Bank, Tamilam Bank, Dravidian Development Bank, Northeast Development Bank, anything you want to call it. Tamils in other parts of the world have written to us that Tamils worldwide must be included to give wide representation and the strength and power of numbers. Therefore, we should call it Global Tamil Development Bank, or in the interim, we can call it Northeast Development Bank. What the Sri Lankan Tamils must understand is that Tamils in other parts of the world are living in much difficult social, economic, and political conditions. They are beginning to look upon us to be their messiahs. It's time for us to make an effort, make an offer to all Tamils worldwide. It looks like the Tamils in Sri Lanka cannot think beyond their self-interest, but there are more Tamils in the world. We have to become part of the World Tamil Force. Here are a few suggested features of such a bank. Our motto is going to be, our commitment to our community is a source of power. Our mission is to combine and invest various resources to create people, products, and services among the community, especially in and around the world. Our commitment for absolute honesty, our commitment is for absolute honesty, integrity, trust, transparency, perseverance, dedication, determination, and a fully democratized form of administration. Our pathway to prosperity is dedicated to invest and develop community resources to create opportunity for economic and technological advancement and better living standards for Tamils worldwide. The purpose of the Global Tamil Development Bank is to create investor interest through economic advancement, to ensure more than average return on investment, to ensure more than average growth in equity, to provide employment opportunity among the community, to create prosperity within the community, to encourage intra-community trade and commerce, to make Tamil worldwide as a social, economical, political, and a political force, so that other powers will recognize and reckon us. Our investment process is to invest in various sectors of the economy, locally and then globally, and manage to yield desired results. All investment capital will be secured with a certificate to the value of the investment at par. All investment capital will be held in income-bearing liquid assets until suitable investment is recognized and approved by investors and shareholders. Investment guarantees. All liquid investments are guaranteed up to the currency value plus the earned interest. All other investments are guaranteed up to the market value of the investment. Why invest with Global Tamil Development Bank? Global Tamil Development Bank is the first of a kind of global corporation owned by the Tamil community, managed by the community for the betterment of the Tamil community. Tamil National Alliance, our political representatives in Sri Lanka, must insist on the formation of an independent bank. And it is for the Sinhalese to allow Tamils to mind their own business. That way, no Sinhalese can claim that the Tamils are alienating the Sinhalese people and the economy. If they do not want to recognize Tamils as a culture of people, that needs different strategies. I am sure Sinhalese do not want another Palestine in their doorstep. Since 1970s, we have been saying to the Sinhalese, let us develop our own economy, but the Sinhalese establishment was not in favor of it. They were against it. If the Sinhalese think that they are mighty because of their number, we will find an equalizer and an alternative. But if they want us to recognize their uniqueness, we will be very much delighted to uphold their heritage. But if you want to impose your will upon us, it will never work, and it never worked in the history. Tamils on their side must become magnanimous and recognize the uniqueness of the Sinhalese heritage. Let us understand them before they understand us. What the Sinhalese must understand is that they cannot put a lid on the fire of freedom. Man is born with it. And secondly, no man can deny another man the rights without losing his rights. In the last 60 years, what happened to the Sinhalese masses is a proof of it. Whereas the Tamils got out and got ahead. Maybe they used intimidation and violence against Tamils in Sri Lanka. But the Tamils are regrouping outside by bringing the Tamils all over the world. Freedom is an unalienable, unnegotiable, unbargainable, and invincible force of nature. Do not tamper with it. Therefore, the Sinhalese in their own interest must let the Tamils mind their own business. Maybe the geopolitical situation is in their own favor now, but that is not for too long. We are going to convince India and China that the investments are and interests are better served by aligning with the Tamils. Do the Sinhalese want to live in constant fear, or do they want to make peace with the Tamils? The fundamental is man is a free animal. No one can control that desire. If the Sinhalese do not learn this in 2500 years, they will never learn. They don't know freedom either. Eternally, they will constant fear and poverty. Tamils want to progress into the next civilization, but the Sinhalese want to live in feudalism. That is the core of the problem in Sri Lanka. My friends, as I always say, stay together, work hard, never ever give up. I am Subramaniam Masalamani, a world-class Tamil powered by convictions, commitments and conscience.